Skipping this step will make the fat loss process far harder, and it will create a destiny for you of achieving only temporary results. There are 3 initial steps to take for your cleanse to be most effective. First, decide how long you want your cleanse to last. In our opinion, cleanse last no less than 1 full day and no longer than 7 to 10 days. For example, if you have lived a life of eating fast food and little or no physical activity, then your cleanse should last closer to the 7 to 10 day mark. But if you have lived a healthy life, eating lots of fresh raw vegetables, exercising regularly, and possibly even doing another type of cleanse every now and then you need only follow this cleanse 1 or 2 days in a row. But most people who are in excellent condition usually choose to stay on the cleanse longer than just 1 to 2 days. The average is 3 to 5 days initially, then once a month thereafter they can do a mini cleanse lasting 1 to 2 days. Second, decide what you're going to consume on the cleanse. This is a great time to get all the junk food cleaned out of your kitchen. Give it away, throw it away, just get rid of it, but don't get rid of it by eating it yourself. After you've cleaned out your kitchen, you should stock it with healthy foods, and the only healthy foods you'll be consuming on your cleanse are plain, fresh, clean water, preferably distilled or purified water, vegetable juices, and possibly some decaffeinated herbal tea, if you desire it. The term, vegetable juice, when used here, refers only to juices that you juice yourself. So get yourself a vegetable juicer and a wide variety of fresh, raw, preferably organic vegetables. Then 2 or 3 times per day juice enough vegetables to fill a glass and drink it down. Some people, including diabetics, find it beneficial to water down their juice with 50% water. This simply dilutes the sugar found in some vegetables. You should add a small pinch of cayenne pepper to a few of your drinks throughout the day. This strengthens your blood, increases circulation, improves the assimilation of nutrients from the vegetable juices into your body, and helps your bowels eliminate the built-up waste from your system, which gets rid of any constipation. Third, do some light cardiovascular exercise like walking or bike riding for 20 to 30 minutes each day of your cleanse. Avoid any heavy physical exertion if possible. Your goal is to relax and let your system rebuild and repair itself during your cleanse. Finally, watch a funny movie and laugh a lot. When you have a good laugh, your body secretes chemicals that aid in digestion and promote good metabolic health. Review this or any other dietary or lifestyle changes with your physician first. Thank you for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.